Hello everyone. Today you will learn the pronunciation, meaning and usage of the word on screen. How do you pronounce it? The word is articulate. I will break down the pronunciation for you. Let's break down the pronunciation. The first sound is R. The R sound is very soft. R. Take. We stress it here. Take. Y and lut. It's not let, it's lut. Articulate. Y, because this is a short sound, a sound, and again a sound here. Articulate. Say it with me. Articulate. Did you say articulate before? That is wrong. Articulate, because here and here the sound is a. Articulate. First, this bit long sound and here a and then a again. Articulate. It can be used as an adjective or verb. As an adjective, it means able to express ideas clearly and effectively in speech or writing. And if you are using it as a verb, it is to express something clearly in words. Here are different forms and their example sentences. Articulate, adjective. She is very articulate. It's adjective because we are describing she, which is a noun. Articulate. He articulated his ideas well. So here we are using it as a verb. Articulately. Again, it's adverb and she spoke articulately in the meeting. Articulation, which is a noun, and good articulation is important in public speaking. Here are other example sentences for adjective, verb, adverb, and noun form of the word articulate. You can read these sentences yourself and try making new sentences, and please share them in the comment box. Let me know what's one word or a list of words you find difficult to pronounce in professional meetings, and I will teach you the pronunciation, meaning, and usage of that word in different contexts. Until then, bye.